Have you ever pondered the purpose of the pubspec.yaml file in your Flutter project? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. The pubspec.yaml file, though it might seem insignificant, is the backbone of your Flutter project. It's a configuration file that holds the key to how your project operates, what dependencies it has, and what assets it uses. So, what exactly does this enigmatic file do? Imagine the pubspec.yaml file as a master control panel. It's here that you define your project's metadata, dependencies, assets, and more. The metadata includes the name of your application and the version, which are crucial for identifying your app in the app stores. Now let's talk about dependencies. They're like the building blocks of your Flutter project. Whether it's a package to help with state management or a tool to fetch data from the internet, all these dependencies are listed in the pubspec.yaml file. And it's not just about listing them. The pubspec.yaml file also takes care of fetching these dependencies and linking them to your project. Moving on to assets. They are the images, fonts, sounds, and any other files that your app needs to run. The pubspec.yaml file is where you tell Flutter about these assets. By listing your assets in this file, you're essentially telling Flutter, hey, these are the files I'll be using, so make sure they're ready when I need them. But that's not all. The pubspec.yaml file is also responsible for defining the Dart SDK version your project is compatible with. This ensures that your project runs smoothly without any version compatibility issues. So, in essence, the pubspec.yaml file is like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that every part of your Flutter project is in harmony. It's a crucial part of the Flutter framework, coordinating the dependencies, assets, and configurations that your project needs to function correctly. To wrap it up, the pubspec.yaml file in your Flutter project is not just a file. It's a critical cog in the machine that is your application. It manages your project's dependencies, controls your assets, and maintains the overall configuration of your application. So next time you come across the pubspec.yaml file in your Flutter project, remember, it's the silent guardian, the watchful protector, the dark night of your Flutter project. A little dramatic perhaps, but it underscores the importance of the pubspec.yaml file, doesn't it?